In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the user ID of any account in Slack. This can be really helpful if you're managing a team or working with integrations that require specific user IDs. Let's get started and make sure to follow along as I guide you through each step. First, you'll want to open Slack on your computer or mobile device, whichever you prefer, and from the workspace, navigate to the main interface. Once you're there, look over to your sidebar where you'll see a list of your conversations. Among these, you'll find the Direct Messages option. Go ahead and click on that. It's usually positioned right there in your sidebar, making it easy to access anyone you've had one-on-one conversations with. Next, you'll want to select the user whose user ID you need. Simply click their name from the list of direct messages. If you have a lot of conversations, you might need to scroll a bit, so take your time and ensure you're selecting the correct person. Once you've selected the user, you'll see the chat window open up. The next step involves clicking on the user's profile. You'll typically find this option near the top of the chat window. It's often represented by the user's name or profile picture. Clicking here will allow us to access more detailed information about the user. Now that you've opened the profile, look around for a button or link that says View Full Profile. This might seem like just a small detail, but it's crucial because this view gives you more comprehensive options compared to just the sidebar preview. After viewing the full profile, you should notice an icon with 3 dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. Click this icon to reveal additional actions you can take with this profile. It's usually located on the far right side in the profile view, easily identifiable by its distinctive icon of 3 dots stacked vertically. From this menu, find the option that says Copy Member ID. Clicking this will automatically copy the user ID to your clipboard, which means you won't have to manually highlight and copy. It's a very efficient feature, ensuring you don't make any accidental errors when capturing the ID. Finally, you want to paste the copied user ID to a document or text editor of your choice to see it. Simply use your clipboard feature on your device to paste it where needed. And there you have it. You've successfully found and copied the user ID of the user in Slack. I hope you found this guide helpful. With these straightforward steps, you're now able to efficiently retrieve user IDs in Slack whenever necessary. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop them in the comments below.